Stop scrolling right now, because what you are about to hear is going to completely alter the trajectory of the entire tech industry. Forget everything you thought you knew about Apple's 2026 roadmap, and forget the minor incremental updates of the past few years. The massive leaks currently pouring out of the deepest, most secure corners of the Asian supply chains, combined with hidden code extracted from beta software by elite developers, are pointing to a June event that is not just a hardware presentation. It is an absolute massacre of the competition. We are talking about upcoming devices so aggressively overpowered and ecosystem integration so flawlessly executed that it genuinely borders on science fiction. Apple is preparing to drop a lineup that will make your current devices feel like ancient, obsolete bricks, and they're doing it across every single category of your digital life. Before we expose the mind-bending specifications and the secret features that Apple executives are desperately trying to scrub from the internet, welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Now, lock in, because we are pulling back the curtain on the most disruptive hardware keynote in Apple's modern history, starting with a machine that is about to rewrite the laws of computing power and thermal physics. We need to talk about the Mac Mini M5. For over a decade, the Mac Mini has been viewed as the entry-level stepping stone into the macOS universe, a quiet, unassuming silver box that sat on your desk and handled basic tasks. Those days are officially over. In June 2026, Apple is entirely stripping away the entry-level identity and transforming this compact device into a monstrous, undisputed desktop titan that will terrify the PC master race. The internal leaks confirm that the M5 silicon architecture is making a historic leap to a highly enhanced 2-nanometer manufacturing process. To put that in perspective, the transistor density on this chip is so extreme that it allows for computational throughput previously reserved for massive, power-hungry tower computers. We are looking at a baseline Mac Mini that can effortlessly chew through multiple streams of uncompressed 8K raw video, render incredibly dense, photorealistic 3D environments in real time, and run colossal, localized artificial intelligence models completely on-device without even triggering a cooling fan. Speaking of cooling, rumors indicate that Apple has completely redesigned the internal chassis from the ground up, shrinking the overall physical footprint to rival the size of an Apple TV, while introducing a revolutionary thermal management system utilizing aerospace-grade graphene sheets and a microscopic vapor chamber. Imagine holding a piece of aluminum in the palm of your hand that holds more raw, unadulterated processing power than high-end gaming rigs from just 2 years ago. Furthermore, the M5 chip is said to feature a drastically expanded, dedicated neural engine explicitly designed to be the central brain for the next evolution of Apple intelligence. This makes the Mac Mini a proactive digital assistant that learns your specific workflow, anticipates your next move, and executes background rendering tasks before you even click a button. When you factor in the integration of Thunderbolt 5 ports offering insane bidirectional bandwidth capable of daisy-chaining multiple 8K displays with absolute zero latency, it becomes clear that the M5 Mac Mini is the ultimate weapon for creators, and it is going to shake the entire global PC industry to its absolute core. But the earthquake happening on your desk is just the beginning, because what Apple is about to do to their tablet lineup is going to fundamentally change how human beings consume media, play games, and create art on the move. Let us pivot aggressively to the iPad Mini 8. This is a device that has always cultivated a massive, hyper-loyal cult following. The people who buy the iPad Mini do not just use it casually. They obsess over its perfect form factor. For the 8th generation, Apple is finally rewarding that loyalty by giving this ultra-portable powerhouse the uncompromised pro-level treatment it has always deserved. The absolute biggest complaint regarding the previous generation was the display technology, specifically the heavily criticized jelly scrolling effect that ruined the reading experience. You can officially consider that problem eradicated. Insider display supply chain leaks are screaming from the rooftops that the iPad Mini 8 will feature a breathtaking, custom-calibrated OLED display equipped with highly advanced promotion technology. bringing a buttery smooth, adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate to an 8.3-inch OLED panel is a complete paradigm shift. Every single time you swipe, scroll, or sketch, the UI will feel as fluid and responsive as physical reality. The contrast ratios will be infinite, the blacks will be perfect, and the HDR peak brightness will make watching movies feel like carrying a premium cinema in your pocket. But the screen is just the beautiful surface covering a terrifying amount of power. Apple is reportedly bypassing the standard A series iPhone chips entirely and dropping a highly binned M series chip directly into the iPad Mini 8 chassis. This elevates the device from a mere tablet to a portable, console-level gaming powerhouse. Imagine sitting on a crowded subway or a long flight and playing uncompromised AAA gaming titles with hardware-accelerated ray tracing, or editing 50-track audio projects in Logic Pro with zero stuttering or latency. Adding fuel to the fire, the leaks strongly suggest full support for the revolutionary Apple Pencil Pro, bringing granular haptic feedback, squeeze gestures, and barrel roll capabilities to digital artists who demand the ultimate, zero-compromise digital sketchbook. To power this massive spike in performance, Apple has allegedly overhauled the battery chemistry, utilizing stacked battery cell technology borrowed directly from the electric vehicle industry. This ensures that even with a blindingly bright OLED screen and a desktop-class M chip pushing maximum frames, you're still guaranteed all-day, relentless battery life. The iPad Mini 8 is not just a hardware update. It is a brutal declaration of war against every single small form factor tablet and portable gaming console currently on the global market. While the iPad Mini is getting completely overpowered, Apple knows that they must maintain absolute dominance over the massive education sector and the everyday consumer market, which brings us to the highly anticipated, completely reimagined iPad 12th generation. Historically, the base model iPad was the forgotten middle child, built with older designs, thick bezels, and recycled internal components to keep the price down. The 12th generation is where that stale narrative is violently thrown out the window. Hardware leaks point to a complete, ground-up refinement of the exterior chassis, pushing the bezels to the absolute physical limit and gracing the baseline iPad with a stunning, nearly edge-to-edge display that closely mimics the premium aesthetic of the iPad Pro lineup. We are hearing highly credible reports that the display will finally be fully laminated, permanently eliminating that annoying, hollow air gap between the glass and the pixels. This instantly drastically improves color accuracy, viewing angles, and the tactile feeling of direct, immediate interaction when using a stylus or your finger. But the true, undeniable story of the iPad 12th Gen is the monstrous brain hidden inside. Apple is expected to equip this supposedly budget model with the A18 chip, the exact same cutting-edge silicon architecture that will power their flagship iPhones. Why would Apple put so much expensive, premium power into a budget-friendly tablet? The answer is Apple Intelligence. Apple understands that to maintain their suffocating grip on the tech ecosystem, their generative AI features cannot be locked behind a paywall for rich professionals. They must be universally accessible. The 12th Gen iPad is perfectly positioned to be the ultimate Trojan horse for Apple's AI dominance, allowing high school students, college kids, and everyday users to leverage incredibly advanced writing tools, real-time multi-language audio transcription, and highly intelligent image generation right out of the box, with no subscription required. Furthermore, accessory rumors are swirling about a brand new, wildly affordable, incredibly durable Magic Keyboard alternative specifically engineered for this model. This accessory will transform the base iPad from a media consumption slab into a legitimate, highly capable laptop replacement for the masses. The front-facing camera is also getting a permanent, highly requested relocation to the landscape edge, optimizing it perfectly for Zoom calls, online classes, and family FaceTimes. This device is destined to become the undisputed, unchallengeable king of budget computing, offering a ridiculous price-to-performance ratio that absolutely no Android tablet competitor will be able to touch or even replicate for years to come. Now, we need to take a journey from your office desk and your travel backpack directly into the center of your home, because Apple is preparing a stealth, hostile takeover of your living room with a brand new, wildly ambitious Apple TV 4K 2026 edition. If you're sitting there thinking the Apple TV is just a simple, glorified streaming box for casually watching Netflix or YouTube, you're painfully and drastically mistaken about what is coming down the pipeline. The leaks regarding this specific device are incredibly detailed, surprisingly dense, and point to a massive, strategic pivot towards high-end gaming and total smart home automation. The new Apple TV 4K is heavily rumored to feature a deeply modified, thermally unlocked version of the A17 Pro chip. Yes, that is the exact same ultra-premium silicon that introduced hardware-accelerated ray tracing to the mobile market. Why on earth would a dedicated streaming box require that much graphical horsepower? Because Apple is preparing to push their Apple Arcade subscription service to the absolute bleeding edge of the gaming industry. Reports indicate they are aggressively courting major third-party game developers, spending billions to bring massive, native gaming titles exclusively to the Apple TV platform. We're talking about a sleek, minimalist device that could legitimately rival traditional gaming consoles from Sony and Microsoft for casual, mid-tier, and even dedicated gamers. To perfectly support this massive gaming pivot, leaks suggest a completely redesigned, highly ergonomic Siri remote that seamlessly doubles as a surprisingly capable gaming controller, featuring enhanced 6-axis gyroscopes, precise haptic feedback triggers, and a much more intuitive button layout. But the graphical upgrade is only half of the terrifying story. The new Apple TV 4K is structurally designed to become the ultimate, indestructible, hyper-secure hub for your entire smart home ecosystem. Featuring a massive built-in neural engine, it will act as the localized processing brain for HomeKit. This means your smart home commands, turning on lights, locking doors, viewing security cameras, will execute instantly, locally, without ever needing to bounce out to a vulnerable cloud server. This guarantees unparalleled privacy and lightning-fast speed. We are also hearing very loud whispers of highly advanced AI upscaling technology. This means the Apple TV will take older, standard 1080p, or even grainy 720p content and use real-time machine learning algorithms to aggressively upscale it to breathtaking, crystal-clear 4K. It will dynamically sharpen edges, enhance textures, and fix color banding on the fly, making everything you watch look significantly better than the original source material. It will also reportedly feature much deeper, flawless integration with spatial audio protocols, allowing you to seamlessly connect multiple Apple speakers for a completely wireless, perfectly synchronized Dolby Atmos home theater experience that actively calibrates itself to the exact physical acoustics of your specific room using an array of built-in, highly sensitive microphones. Speaking of immersive audio and controlling the smart home, that brings us to the final, brilliant piece of the June 2026 puzzle, a device that may be small in physical stature, but is absolutely critical to Apple's plan for total ecosystem dominance, the HomePod Mini 2. The original HomePod Mini was a massive commercial success, putting Apple Audio into millions of homes, but it has been waiting desperately for a hardware refresh, and Apple is finally ready to unleash the radically redesigned second generation. The supply chain leaks here are genuinely fascinating because they point to a complete reimagining of what a smart speaker actually is and how you interact with it. The absolute most shocking rumor is the inclusion of a fully interactive, beautifully curved OLED touchscreen seamlessly integrated right onto the top surface of the device. This will not just be a simple, glowing orb anymore. It will be a dynamic visual interface. It will display gorgeous, high-resolution album art, rich weather animations, intuitive smart home toggles, and dynamic Siri visual feedback right on the glass. Imagine glancing across your kitchen island and instantly seeing the live status of your entire house, or simply tapping the top of the HomePod to instantly, flawlessly transfer an ongoing FaceTime audio call from your iPhone directly to the speaker without skipping a single beat. The audio quality is also taking a massive, generation-defining leap forward. Apple audio engineers have reportedly developed a brand new, highly custom acoustic waveguide combined with a long excursion neodymium woofer that will produce a rich, thumping bass response that completely defies the physical size of the tiny speaker. It will heavily utilize advanced computational audio, calculating the reflection of sound waves off your specific walls and furniture thousands of times per second to create a wide, incredibly immersive soundstage. But the true, terrifying power of the HomePod Mini 2 lies buried in its custom silicon. Equipped with a brand new ultra-wideband chip and a dedicated, localized neural processor, this speaker will handle almost all Siri voice requests entirely on device. That means no more frustrating, awkward pauses waiting for the internet to figure out what you just said. You speak a command, and the action happens instantly, faster than human reaction time. It will also feature highly advanced, incredibly precise presence detection. This means the speaker will know exactly when you physically walk into the room and can automatically adjust the smart lighting, change the ambient temperature, and seamlessly transition the music to your specific, highly personalized profile based on the precise proximity of your Apple Watch or iPhone. Furthermore, it will be the ultimate Matter and Thread border router, completely bridging the messy gap between every single smart home brand currently in existence, effectively making the HomePod Mini 2 the invisible, rock-solid glue that securely holds your entire futuristic, automated life together. When you take a step back and look at all of these highly anticipated, leaked devices together, the raw, terrifying desktop supremacy of the Mac Mini M5, the gorgeous portable perfection of the OLED iPad Mini 8, the hyper-accessible, mass-market intelligence of the iPad 12th Gen, the living room gaming and automation takeover of the Apple TV 4K, and the acoustic, interactive brilliance of the HomePod Mini 2, a very clear, absolutely undeniable picture begins to form before our eyes. Apple is not just updating their product lines to sell a few more units. They are aggressively weaving an invisible, impenetrable web of high-performance hardware and localized artificial intelligence that wraps tightly around every single aspect of your daily life. They are ensuring that whether you are rendering a massive blockbuster film at your office desk, reading a digital comic book on a crowded train, attending a virtual university lecture, dominating a game in your living room, or just simply turning off the lights before you go to sleep, you are constantly wrapped in a unified ecosystem that is faster, smarter, more secure, and more seamlessly connected than anything humanity has ever built. The Apple June 2026 event is not going to be just another standard tech keynote. It is going to be the definitive blueprint for the next decade of digital living. Every single hardware competitor and software developer in the tech space should be absolutely terrified of what Apple is about to put on the store shelves. Because the moment this hardware hits the global market, the gap between Apple and the rest of the industry is going to turn into a massive, insurmountable canyon. The days of fragmented, siloed technology are officially over. The era of ambient, omnipresent, highly intelligent computing is arriving this June, and you're going to want to be fully financially prepared for the upgrade cycle of a lifetime. Keep your eyes glued to the rumor mill and your notifications turned on, because the tech landscape as we know it is about to shift permanently, and we're going to be right here to break down every single microchip, every single hidden pixel, and every single secret feature the absolute moment it sees the light of day.